In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable check to undo on iPhone. So the check to undo on iPhone is a cool feature that can easily help you to reverse back to your previous action if you accidentally did the wrong thing. For instance, if you are typing a message on your iPhone like this, and you mistakenly choose this, you can just hold the iPhone check to undo it. You see that? Then choose the button that says undo typing. Go ahead and tap undo. Then that's going to delete the typing straight away. But you may choose to disable this if this is giving you a hard time. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To disable or turn off check to undo on iPhone, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On settings page, scroll down and click on accessibility. Under accessibility, scroll down and click on touch. Now scroll down again until you see check to undo. Go ahead and turn off that. Then you should see the check to undo disabled. Now when you are typing and you mistake any action for anything, let's say just like this, then you want to undo this, you can no longer check to undo your action just like this. So this is how you can easily enable or turn off check to undo on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.